Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 6, textbook page number 122, introduction of algebra. On page number 22 we have the exercise for 8a. The question number 1, are the following statements true, false or open? Now you can see that the answers are written in the front of the questions. Now the part 2, replace the letters by numerals to make the statements true. Now you have x plus 2 is equal to. Now you have this question. Simply what will you do? Taking minus 2 from both sides. We will take minus 2 both sides of equal. So minus 2 plus 2 will be cancelled, or when you will subtract this, the answer will be 0. So here only x will remain. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. That is the answer. Now part 2, when you will take minus 7 in both sides, the 7 will cancel with the 7 and this minus will cancel with the minus, so answer will be 5. So the part 3 and 4 are same. When you will solve it, the answer will be y is equal to this 3 is multiplying with this 3, so you will take 1 over 3 from the both sides. The answer will be. Now the question number 3, write the following as algebra explanations. So what will you do? The sum of p and q. The sum of p and q, p plus q, that is the sum of p and q. The difference of a and b when a is greater than b. Difference between a and b, and a is greater than b, so you will write the answer a minus b. Now the part 3, 2/3 of x added to y. 2/3 of x, 2/3 mean 2 over 3, x added to y, so that is the answer 2 over 3 x plus 2y. A product of m and n added to their sum. The product of m and added to their sum. So we will the sum of m and n, m plus n, that is the sum of m and n, and we will add in the product of mn. Product of mn, it's mean mn. We will not put any symbol between it. It's mean they are multiplying with each other. Now the part 5, the difference of 2p and 3q when 2p is less than 3q. So we will write 3q minus 2p. Now the next one, 3 times a added to 4 times b. 3 times a mean 3a, added it's mean plus 4 times b, so 4b. The part 7, the sum of m and n, the quotient of n divides by 2. So the answer will be m plus n over 2. Now the part A, the quotient of a and b when a is divided by b added to their product. So the answer will be a over b plus ab. That is the answer. Now part 9, 1/3 of x multiplied by the difference of x and y when x is greater than y. 1/3 of x, 1/3 of x, 1 over 3 by multiply by the difference of x and y, and x is greater than y. Or you also can write x over 3. In the place of 1 you can write the x, because when it will multiply, so 1x is equal to x over 3. Now the part 10, 3/4 of x multiplied by the difference of 2p and 5q when 2p is less than 5q. The answer will be 3/4x bracket, or it's mean it's multiplying with this value 5q minus 2p. Now this is your homework. You have to solve part A on your textbook, part 2 and 3 on your NEET copies.